All right, hello, my friends. So, buyer click system. I did decide to buy it, and this is a really quick video. I'm just going to show you inside because I don't think anybody else has actually shown you the members area. And yeah, let's jump to it. So, if you click the link below, you will go to my website, and you can read over what this is about. I did do like a pre-review before I actually bought it for myself. You can see I did buy it, I did buy this for myself. Yeah, and I made a new bonus where I like show you around. To actually add your link, it takes like I don't know. It takes you click one tab. I'll show you, and boom, you can put your link in there wherever you want these 1,000 clicks to go. Now I've already had the it does say that it can take a few days, but I've already had 5 subscribers, which is okay. I have set up a sequence, like an email sequence promoting a specific offer, which I show you inside of the bonus training, which is 27 minutes long. But I talk about a lot of other things. You can just skip right to the part where, boom, you have to do it because honestly, it was a little bit unclear to me what I had to do. So yeah, let's go to it. Right, the sales page. Plug into buyer traffic machine. Blah 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 blah. Okay, we've seen that. That's the sales page. If you want to get to the sales page, then you just go to my website below, scroll down, and you would click here, and you go to the sales page. All right, what's this? Some pop-up thing, and there is a lot of bonuses in there. I have to say, this is a members area. Okay, welcome, Mark. Now, okay, this seems new. Keeps at oh no, it's not. It's just a same video. Basically, what he's asking you to do here is whitelist your email. Now, for now I'm staying on his list, but pretty soon I'm going to unsubscribe because I don't need to be getting emails from him promoting stuff. But as long as they are about this product, then excuse me. As I said, this is a pretty unprepared review. I'm just getting ready to go out to the shops for family night, get some sweets, watch. I think we're going to watch Minecraft movie with my 2 daughters. So exciting stuff, but nice to spend time with family. So this is like 3 minutes of how to whitelist your email. He does also ask, which to be honest, I did get a bit confused. So this is about how to track your link. Blah, 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 bum. You can see there. This is the traffic setup. Tells you what to do. Now, I was confused at first. I'll show you why. Because it was a little bit unclear to me. Now, if I go to here, buyer click setup, okay. Um, what he asks you to do is send your first name, last name, purchase email, and the products you purchase. So if you purchased any upsells, and these are OTOs, you can't buy them after. I was planning on buying like another 5,000 clicks if this was good, but there's nowhere to buy them. So that's like really a one-time offer kind of thing. Anyway, let's have a look how easy it is. So set up your traffic. You send this via email, and you send it to the email he says in here, which is support at buyerclicksystem.com. Easy as that. And then you click here. You go here. You put in your first name, last name, warrior plus email, and the link that you want the 1,000 clicks to go to. Or if you've bought an OTO, then you would put the link to that in, and that's really it. Simple as that. Now, yeah, there is a lot of other stuff in here. Like I would recommend as well doing this, right click, open link in new tab, because otherwise you'll get lost. So what's this? There is like a lot of stuff in here. This is a click tracking $1 million business builder. Let me open that up so you can have a quick look. Oh yeah, this is a ton of products. I've already made like 2 copies. I'm going to delete them, but I'll just open this up so you can see. This was a bit confusing. There is no video here that I could find. Then below we have like personal, so this is for you to, it's kind of like a calculator. So if you're tracking things using different products and sales, this automatically calculates it for you. So there's that. Free resources, which is this free version of Photoshop. Then there's these ton of different video courses, templates, ebooks, other templates. There's training. Again, there you go. You can download it and check it out. Ton of other stuff that you can give away, you can go through, you can watch, you can learn from, up to you. Probably some good stuff here. I just haven't had the time really to go through. Next tab, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says software. This is the software, and he's putting the combined worth. Now, graphics is next, and these are different types of graphics that you can get. 5,000 faceless videos. Oh, I didn't see that before. That's pretty cool. Now, I'm not sure if you can give these away, but I will be giving these away like as bonuses or incentives for people to, sign up. So that's pretty cool. And this you can't see because of my head, but it says WordPress, and there is like some pop-ups and things that you can use for your website. Honestly, I didn't really go through this because I'm just interested in the clicks. That's what I'm interested in. And like I said, he does say that it can take a while for the clicks to start coming in. And I spoke to the JV manager, and she said it could take like days up to a week. But I've already got 5 subs, and I checked them, and they are like legit people, it seems. So that is good to know. And that's that. What else is there? $1 million formulator. Open link, a new tab. Aha. Okay. So again, this is like the calculator thing I was telling you about. There is a video you can watch, and it explains how you can like calculate and make sure that you're always in profit from these clicks. So if you're sending these clicks to an offer, you want to make sure that you're sending it to the right offer. In my bonus video that I made, which is like I said 27 minutes long, I talk about the offer that I'm using. Now, I don't want to make this long, guys, because it is almost a weekend. Well, it is a weekend for me. What else? So there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm guessing, if you buy like upsells, then you're gonna have some stuff here. I don't have access to this. Had I known that this really was a one-time thing, I would have probably bought at least an extra 5,000 clicks, unlimited clicks, maybe. But it's a shame that I can't buy them now. So that is, usually in the members area you get the option to like buy these things, but as you can see, there is nowhere to buy them. So not very smart, but well, I mean, it's not my product. But 100k prize vault. What's this again? Okay. Oh, that's right. This opens on April the 21st. So today's the 11th. So I'll have to wait 10 days for this, and then I believe these open up or something like that. Yeah. So there was also something as well I saw that opens up on the 24th. What was that? this? Where did it say that? Anyway, somewhere it says that something is going to open up on the 24th. Look, can you see that? Sorry, 23rd. Rewards open on April 23rd. So, not sure what these are, but I'll come back in and see what they are when the time comes. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to leave it at that. You see how easy it is to just if you're only interested in getting, traffic, clicks, people clicking your landing page, then, that's all you do. You click here, put your details in, and click submit. That's what I did. Though I did have to go through and watch the little videos, and honestly, one of them was quite confusing. So I did both of these things. I sent the email with, I just copy pasted this into Gmail and sent it, and that was it. So anyway, that's it. That's the actual product. So I can review it at this stage. 1,000 clicks I got. Wish I'd got more. And yeah, I've got 5 subs, which is not bad considering I was told it would take days, maybe a week. And yeah, nothing else to say. Besides, have a great weekend. Talk to you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. And remember, click the link below. You'll go to my website, safe place. Scroll down to the bottom, check the bonuses, and I think the bonus video will really help you have an idea of how to use this to its maximum potential, let's say. All right. Cheers.